In this class, you're going to learn how to make Pastéis de nata, the iconic Portuguese custard tarts that are world famous. I am so excited to bring you this class because not only is it approachable and easy, it's a lot of fun and you're going to have pastry shop perfection in your own kitchen. This recipe requires a lot of practice and technique. Even though it's easy, there are some skills you're going to need to learn to build. And you're going to need to learn how to work with your oven. The oven is a key piece of equipment for this recipe, and you need to learn how these tarts bake in your oven. I give plenty of troubleshooting advice based on the results you're getting. So if it's whether you need to raise your oven rack or lower it or add a second baking sheet on a lower rack to protect the bottoms of your pastry, I've got you covered. And if you're lucky enough to be able to order or purchase the correct tins, the whole process is even that much more fun. A bit about the name. Nata means cream in Portuguese, but if you read the recipe, you'll notice there is no cream. We use milk, but it's the creaminess of the finished custard that I think gave the tart its name, nata, or Pastéis de nata. So pastéis is the plural word for pastry, and pastel is what you'll use if you're referring to one, for a singular custard tart. Colloquially, they are called just natas. So you could say I'd like uma nata, a nata, pastel de nata, pastéis de nata, nata or natas. And now you know how to order them and you're ready to correctly describe them when you're in Portugal. Happy baking. Like I said, they take some practice and a bit of technique, but once you have it, you're going to be the envy of all your friends and neighbors.